Diet for fatty liver patients. Soy protein and curd. Liver fat is reduced by 20% in obese women who consume 60 grams of curd daily for 4 weeks. Soy also contains antioxidants called isoflavones, which help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce body fat levels. Walnuts. Walnut kernels contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are very good for people with fatty liver. Eating walnuts improves liver function in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Green tea. People who drank 5 to 10 cups of green tea a day had a significant reduction in liver fat. Green tea also contains several antioxidants, including catechins, which improve liver fat. Broccoli. Eating a variety of vegetables is good for people with fatty liver. However, broccoli is one of the most important vegetables that should be included in the diet of people with fatty liver. Coffee. Drinking coffee is a morning habit for many people. According to an animal study in mice, decaffeinated coffee reduced liver and inflammatory damage in mice whose diets were high in fat, fructose and cholesterol. Omega-3 fatty acids. Consumption of omega-3 fatty acids reduces the level of liver fat and harmful fats in the body. Some of these foods include salmon fish, sardine, walnuts, salmon, linseed, garlic. Garlic is a regular member of many diets and has benefits for people with fatty liver. Garlic powder supplements help reduce weight and fat in people with fatty liver. Follow and subscribe us for more video.